Grow lights have become essential for indoor gardening, seed starting, and year-round plant health, especially in homes with limited natural light. The best options today combine full-spectrum output, energy efficiency, adjustable positioning, and reliable timing controls to support plants from seedling to mature growth. To provide a practical, consumer-focused comparison,
List number 1. Gooing Top LED Grow Light. The Gooing Top LED Grow Light combines a 6000K white channel with 10 red LEDs and 74 white LEDs for a full spectrum fit, intended to mimic midday sun. It employs a clip-on counterbalance with a flexible gooseneck and a 10-watt draw that's claimed to be equivalent to a 50-watt halogen. A notable feature is the 3-button timer, offering 4H, 8H, or 12H cycles, designed for desktop plants and seed starting. With a reported CRI around 90 to 95, the light promises soft, flicker-free output suitable for reading as well as plant work. The device can operate via USB or AC power and ships with a 365-day warranty plus responsive customer support. Performance-wise, the Gooing Top headroom is more about targeted supplemental lighting than high-intensity growth. The 84 LEDs claim broad coverage, but the compact form factor means spread and penetration are best suited for small pots or tabletop seedling setups, rather than a multi-plant bench. The 6000K neutral white can be excellent for leafy greens in the blue heavy spectrum, but for flowering or fruiting species, users may want to supplement with a red heavy spectrum. The 360-degree adjustable neck and clip mount enhance placement versatility, but the clip's strength and heat dissipation under prolonged use should be monitored. Annual warranty coverage provides some peace of mind, though replacement parts are not specified.
Number 2. Plant Grow Light. The Yadaker LED Growing Light offers a 72 LED full-spectrum array spanning 380 to 800 nanometers with a tall, height-adjustable stand up to 61.1 inches and a 10-level dimming control. It emphasizes large area coverage and tall plant illumination with a 1500 lumen output and a 5-volt low-voltage power approach. The design leans toward a more decorative, office-friendly aesthetic using bamboo accents and a remote-controlled timer that cycles 8, 12, or 16 hours. The combination of high adaptability and robust spectral range makes it a strong option for users seeking a single light to accommodate several plants at different stages. In practice, Yadaker's strength lies in its reach. The telescope-like pole enables raising light intensity for taller plants or higher canopies, and extending coverage for clustered pots. The 10 brightness levels provide fine-grained control, and the built-in timer autonomously cycles on and off, reducing daily maintenance. However, the weight and footprint are larger than a compact clip-on, and magnetic or clamp mounting is absent, relying on the tripod stand. The bamboo aesthetic is distinctive, but may not suit all decor. For budget-conscious buyers seeking larger area coverage, it represents a compelling value proposition.
List number 3. Grow Light Bulbs. Bright Night's 2-pack A19 LED Grow Bulbs delivers a full-spectrum natural daylight feel with a 4000K white temperature and a 180-degree beam angle. At 11W each, they claim 1000 lumens total, dual pack included, and a 100W equivalent output with 90% energy savings. This bulb-based approach fits standard E26 sockets, making it extremely versatile for desk lamps, floor lamps, or fixture-based setups. The claim of a 25 micromoles per second ppf indicates decent photosynthetic photon delivery for compact indoor gardens, microgreens, or seed-starting trays. Performance-wise, these Bright Night bulbs excel in plug adaptability and heat management due to their LED construction, delivering a natural white appearance that blends with home lighting while still facilitating plant growth. The 60W incandescent equivalent rating on an 11W LED is a marketing placeholder. Real-world PAR or PPF will depend on fixture distance and reflector geometry. For best results, place bulbs close to target plants within a few inches to maximize intensity while ensuring adequate airflow to avoid heat buildup. The 2-pack offers excellent value for retrofitting existing lamps.
List number 4. Grow lights for indoor plants. This 5-head full-spectrum unit employs a tripod-style height-adjustable stand with a 15 to 60-inch range, enabling independent head control and a mix of red, blue, and white LEDs. It includes both a remote RF controller up to 30 meters and an inline timer for 4, 8, or 12-hour cycles, plus adjustable 10-level brightness. The multi-head configuration supports broader coverage and staggered lighting for larger plant collections, while the metal aluminum housing and aviation-grade heatsink emphasize longevity and thermal efficiency. Performance-wise, the 5-head arrangement yields more uniform canopy lighting across rows of seedlings or clusters, with individual head flexibility enabling targeted accent lighting for tall or shaded specimens. However, more LEDs mean more heat generation potential and higher initial cost. The stand-based design may be preferred by users who dislike hanging setups and want a dedicated grow station. Versatility is high, but expect a bit more power draw and a larger footprint than clip-on options.
List number 5. Plant Grow Light. The AO Korean Halo-style grow lights come in a 3-pack and use a flat halo form factor with 48 LEDs, offering full-spectrum options plus 3 spectral modes: white, warm white, and red plus mix. The stand is height adjustable via a telescoping pole up to roughly 26 inches, and the device supports 3-hour, 9-hour, and 12-hour timers. It's designed for small to mid-sized plants, with a base and stand that can be inserted into soil or used with a stand. The package emphasizes decorative compatibility with home settings while delivering targeted plant lighting. Real-world use highlights include rapid setup and compact footprint, making it ideal for desk plants, herbs, or small potted specimens. The halo design means light is delivered more directly to the crown of the plant, which can be advantageous for uniform growth in small planters. However, the halo form factor can limit total light intensity for larger plants, and the stand insertion method requires a stable base, pot, or stand to avoid tipping. The 3-pack format makes it easy to scale lighting across multiple small plants.